what we have now found out is that communication skills, while always critical, are a much more important part of the leadership skills than I thought, because I've always had arguably world-class communication skills, but I forget back 25 or 35, 40 years ago when they used to throw fucking dinner rolls at me when I get up and speak. So, I mean, but communication skills is, and one of the things that you've really improved, and I've seen it in the TED Talk and other things, is your ability to communicate. You've always appeared to be a thoughtful interviewer. You know, whether that's real or not, you always appeared, and perception is reality, so it doesn't make a shit, you know. But your communication skills and able to articulate in succinct bites. But you're a soundbite guy now, you know. You're
Is that all I am?
No. But to be world class, you got to be a soundbite guy. And you, unlike me, you are more worried or concerned about your legacy than I am. You know, as long as I'm the best it ever was, I don't give a fuck if they equate me with Attila the Hun and Adolf Hitler. I don't give a shit. Okay? And the thing that kids are realizing now more and more and more, that being a high-performance person doesn't mean you're a good person. Hitler was arguably one of the most high-performance people in the last 100 years. Asshole of extraordinary proportions, but he's still high performance. And so being good, and bad things happen to good people all the time. I thought you figured that out by the time you're 10, 11 years old. But we have kids that come in that, you know, ugly stuff happened to them in business, and they think that, oh, well, I thought that he was my friend, and he might have been until it came to $10 million. Then friendship has a different definition.
And so if people don't like you and don't like the things they've heard you say today, that's fine. But sometimes that's what comes with a high-performance person.
If you like me at the end of this talk, I did something wrong. And I'm not here to be, you know, when I came up with the saying, before I was giving seminars, if you want a friend, buy a dog, I meant it. I've always thought that. But I'm not here for you to like me. I'm the world's best at getting you to do what you don't want to do to be what you want to be. I don't know anybody better at it than me. And I don't care what you think of me. I look at the results. It's like I tell my own kids, love is great, but I don't need it from you two, you three. I mean, 25 years from now, respect will do. I don't need your love. And most kids or their parents are living vicariously through their kids. So I look at the audience and I look at 400 or 500 people. If this is what the world's come to, if your parents, God fucking forbid, Allah fucking forbid, are living their lives vicariously through you sorry fucking vaginas, what the fuck has the world come to? And I believe that. And the kids go like this. Great question. Do you want your kids to be like you? Not one person raises their hand. What does that say?
They're not doing their job.
Correct. And now you got two little rascals?
Yeah, I think about it all the time. You know, I'm trying to behave, and with me, it's even more, because all my shit is documented now.
Yeah.
So it gives me an extra reason to go big, because they're going to watch me one day, and like you said, they're going to see it all, which is great. It's great motivation for me. Just like this place, it's great motivation for me. It means I got to get up and just be even better. And so,
we can always get better. Man's greatest burden is unfulfilled potential. You know, and Kosagratsos said that to me, oh God, a long, long time ago. Early on in our relationship, and I didn't understand really what it meant. But now, well, I've known for many years now, but now even more so. I mean, because I see so many of us, myself included, have left so much on the table that we could have done more. And nobody's ever going to be 100% of their potential. But there's no reason that we can't be all we can be. And that's what I'm driving the kids,
yeah.
Sometimes not in such a nice way.